Okay, I am leaving the property and I want to show you the other way out. This is just a very rough, like woodshed, storage shed. So now we're gonna go out this other way, which will take us out to Austinville Road. So if you go left, it will take you to Austinville, and if you go to the right, it takes you over to Ivanhoe, but very easy to get. Oh, that's my friend's house. Very easy to get back to the main road. So you can see it is mostly farmland with a few scattered houses, and again, we're about 10 minutes to both interstate accesses, and this takes you up towards Sheffy School and stuff.